This 4K drone is so smart, it might file your taxes. Holy Stone HS360S is FAA-Free and sky-ready. Meet the Holy Stone HS360S, the GPS drone that makes rookie flyers look like aerial film directors. Weighing in at a featherlight 249 grams, it skips the FAA drama entirely, no registration, no paperwork, just pure flight freedom. But don't let its size fool you. This foldable, ultra-portable beast packs a 4K UHD GalaxyCore sensor camera and shoots footage so clear, you'll feel like you're watching Earth through Zeus's own iPhone. Beginner or not, you'll fly like a pro on day one with the enhanced Holy Stone intelligent control system and real-time image streaming that's smoother than your best pickup line. Let's talk range, 10,000 feet of unrestricted, eye-popping flight power. That's almost 2 miles of sky domination, y'all. Thanks to 5G long-range transmission and a brushless motor so quiet it's practically a ninja, you'll get buttery smooth video without the buzzkill. And yes, it's got GPS follow me, return to home, and where the heck did my drone go features unlock. Whether you're filming jaw-dropping time-lapse or dodging trees like a sci-fi drone racer, this quadcopter literally has your back and your sky. What makes the HS360S stand out from the swarm? It's simple. You don't need Wi-Fi for live video. Just plug in your phone with the included cable and stream like a boss. Add to that intelligent cinematic tricks like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One-Tap Ascension, and suddenly you're not just flying, you're filming your own action movie. The optical flow positioning keeps it stable for those money shots, while the modular battery gives you up to 20 glorious minutes of uninterrupted footage. Let's talk dollars. Other drones in this price range either choke on the wind, crash like your last relationship, or pretend to be 4K while serving you VHS quality. Not the HS360S. It's affordable, tech-tested, and seriously over-delivers for a drone under 250 grams. Plus, no FAA remote ID? That's a $20 to $50 headache you'll never have to deal with. You're saving money, time, and brain cells while capturing jaw-dropping footage that belongs on your socials yesterday. This is more than a toy, it's a sky-slaying, cinematic beast disguised as a user-friendly drone. It's rugged enough to brave breezy days, smart enough to fly itself home, and fun enough to make even your grandma ask for a turn. From weekend warriors to aspiring YouTubers, the Holy Stone HS360S delivers serious aerial magic without the scary price tag or learning curve. Ready to flex your creative wings? This drone doesn't just fly, it levels you up.